Hi, my name is Yulia Sherbak, and I'm a hand embroidery artist. Embroidery started as just a hobby for me, but it soon became my business. I created moss and feather to sell embroidery online, and soon business began to soar. A big chunk of my work is centered around miniature embroidery and making needlework jewelry and accessories. Embroidery is a beautiful and relaxing process. Stitch by stitch, I tune out everything around me as I become immersed in my world. My most beloved style is thread painting. It's a traditional embroidery technique that creates smooth color gradients with many details and produces realistic pieces. I gravitate towards woodland-inspired themes with needle and thread and create mushrooms, hedgehogs, squirrels, insects, and many more. In this Domestika course, you will learn hand embroidery techniques to make miniature needlework jewelry pieces. For the final project, you will produce jewelry such as necklace pendants featuring miniature thread paintings. To get started, I'll show you the materials you'll need and I'll teach you the basic embroidery stitch techniques, as well as how to make long and short stitches. I'll guide you through creating a mood board for our project and coming up with the sketch for our design. Next, we'll learn how to transfer a pattern to the fabric and choose a color palette for our embroidery. I'll demonstrate how to stitch 3 miniature needle paintings, a hedgehog, a bee with a 3-dimensional thorax, and a mushroom. You'll then learn how to mount your embroidery in jewelry settings and how to display your work in other ways to create compositions or decorate clothes. Finally, I'll share with you how to present your work online and reach customers. By the end of this course, you'll be able to start creating your own realistic and unique miniature needle paintings. No prior embroidery experience is required to follow my steps. You'll just need fabric, thread, needles, a hoop, and a hoop stand, a heat erasable pen, glue, a nail file, and jewelry settings. Discover the soothing beauty of embroidery and create miniature pieces.